guys. This particular platform or this particular opportunity was shared with me by a mentor of mine, Morris actually. He told me about this particular program where the government, the US government in particular, they're basically giving back money to small businesses. Small business owners can actually claim up to $26,000 per employee, and that is per quarter for the next, I would say, 3 years or so. This particular program, it started in 2020 when COVID hit, and it's running up until 2025. Even though on the page it shows that it shows the years between 2020 and 2021, 2022, it's actually still existing and they're still helping people. So basically what it is about is that the government is compensating small business owners. Even if you have taken out any loans or whatever else, you can actually go ahead and claim some funds from them. This is absolutely for free. And the company that assists in this particular way, it's called Bottom Line Concepts. So they are handling this, and they have been getting amazing results for people. And they are literally, I got an email earlier on whereby over 50 people got paid out, or like 50 business owners got paid out, and some of these business owners are getting paid out millions. And it's tax free basically, so you're not paying anything on it. You're getting the money for free from the government, and you don't have to pay bottom line anything, so it doesn't cost you a cent. And what you'd need to do is you'd need to basically just schedule a call with these guys. They would have a couple of questions for you to answer, and then they would qualify you from there, advise you on what the next steps are, and then they would keep you up to date as to what's going to be happening moving forward. And then within I think it takes about a few weeks or so, sometimes even a few days, then they come back to you, and then they they pay you, they cash out, and that is per employee, $26,000 per employee. Right? So this in particular is for people from the US, so small businesses from the US. You need to have a minimum of 5 employees, and I think between 5 and 100 or 500 employees, I think that is the threshold. I'm not sure there's even a limit for it, but that's basically, you need to at least have 5 employees, and then you can basically claim it. And you can claim from the year 2020 up until now. The program is running up until 2025, like I said. So even though it shows on here that it is, for a certain period of time, ignore that. You guys can actually still get qualified. You can still get paid out, by the government. So I'm going to be leaving a link to the platform in the description below. And once you get to the platform, all you need to do is you go to get qualified, and then you'd schedule a call with them. They will then take you on the call and explain everything to you. But without any further ado, I thought I'd actually let you guys watch the video, just so that you have a better understanding and a better idea, and then we can basically take things from there, right? So I'm going to play the video for you. So, play.
In light of the significant businesses large, the federal government has enacted various programs to help businesses recover. Have you heard of the Employee Retention Credit Program, ERC? The ERC is a grant, not a loan, that you can claim for your business based on qualified wages and benefits paid to your employees. How much money can you get back? You can claim ERC equal to 70% of qualified wages for 2021 and 50% for 2020. The maximum amount per employee is $7,000 per quarter in 2021 and $5,000 for the year total in 2020. Let's say your company has 100 employees and you took a PPP loan. We would be able to get you a total refund of approximately $1 million. How do you know if your business is eligible? Your business has to meet the following criteria. have been in existence since February 18, 2020, and, based on the number of employees you had in 2019, have 100 or fewer full-time employees to claim ERC for 2020 and 500 or fewer for 2021. If not, you may qualify for some benefits as a large employer. In addition, either one of the following should apply to your business: fully or partially suspended operations or reduced business hours due to government orders, experienced a significant decline due to the pandemic. For 2021, more than a 20% decline versus the same quarter in 2019. For 2020, more than 50% decline versus the same quarter in 2019. The ERC has strict eligibility requirements, involves complex and technical details, and is under various changes in 2020. This credit is favorable but complicated, and we at Bottom Line Concepts are here to help figure it all out for you. Here's what we will provide: thorough evaluation regarding your eligibility, analysis of your claim, guidance on claiming process and documentation, specific program expertise that a regular CPA or payroll processor might not be well versed in, fast and smooth end-to-end process from eligibility to claiming and receiving funds, dedicated specialists that will interpret highly complex program rules and will be available to answer your questions, including: how does the PPP loan factor into the ERC? What are the differences between the 2020 and 2021 programs, and how does it apply to your business? For larger multi-state employers, what are aggregation rules and how do I interpret multiple states' executive orders? How do part-time, union, and tipped employees affect the amount of my refunds? And the good news is our interests are fully aligned. You'll only receive a fee if you recover your money. Founded in 2009, Bottom Line is North America's leading contingency-based cost consulting firm. We have worked more than 10,000 clients and have successfully brought over $2.5 billion in savings since inception. Our new division, Government Aid, will make sure you're taking the right next steps and maximizing your claim for your business.
Okay, so that video is just to give you guys an idea of what the program is about and how you can actually go about claiming your funds from the government itself, and what the qualifying criteria would be, right? So as you can see there, what is the employee retention credit? It's a stimulus program designed to help those businesses that were able to retain the employees during COVID-19 pandemic, established by the CARES Act. It is a refundable tax credit that you can claim for your business. The ERC is available to small business, mid-sized businesses. It is based on qualified wages and healthcare paid to employees, up to $26,000 per employee. And remember, like I said previously, this program, it's actually running up until 2025, so you guys still have some time, but the sooner you get it, the better it's going to be. Qualify for decreased revenue or COVID events, no limit on funding, right? So as you can see, some of these companies have been paid out millions of dollars simply by reaching out to basically Bottom Line Concepts, and they were assisted, right? As you can see, they've basically gone into detail as to how much you would get per employee, how it would work, so what you guys need to do is I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below for you. You can then click on it. You would get to this particular page. You'll just click on get qualified, and you'd be able to schedule an appointment with them, right? So these services: thorough evaluation regarding your eligibility, comprehensive analysis of your claim, guidance on claiming process and documentation, specific program expertise that a regular CPA or payroll processor might not be well versed in. So these guys are the go-to people for this particular thing, right? Fast and smooth end-to-end process from eligibility to claiming and receiving your funds, so they help you every step of the way. So the moment you've had to sit down with them, they would actually assist. They would actually be dealing with things and handling everything on your behalf. You wouldn't need to do anything further, right? Um, these are some. Let me actually show you guys some of the companies that have been able to claim the funds. So you'll see some big names on here as well. Here's one over here, the Boston Red Sox as well. Yes, even them. College Hunks. Yes. Domino's Pizza. They've also been able to claim. Nobu Restaurants. Yes. Martha Living. As you can see, there's the Milwaukee Bucks. There's Rolex. You see this billion-dollar company over here, or brand. They've even been able to claim their funds, and um, this particular company helped them basically. Bottom line concepts help them to get their funds, right? So why not? Why don't you guys want to go ahead and do that? As you can see, we basically bottom line concepts, they don't charge you guys anything. You don't have to pay a cent to them in order to get your compensation, or to get actually qualified and then get paid out. There is a small percentage, I think, that they would get paid at the end of it, but I think that is something that comes from the government. So once they claim it, they would actually get that. So it's not necessarily from yours. So like I said, I'm going to be leaving the link to this particular platform, or this opportunity, in the description below. Click it and start claiming your funds today, guys. This, I would say, there's not a lot of time, because yes, it is up until 2025, but you want to get your money as soon as possible, and the sooner you can get started with it, the better. And if you have multiple businesses, that's even better, because that means you can claim for multiple businesses, right? So if we go click qualified, or say less than 5 or 5 or more employees, 100, let's say 5 or more, say submit, right? The next step over here, you'd just have to select a date. So they would give you availability on when you can actually have a sit down with them. So let's just say maybe Friday, or whenever. You can choose your time, whether it is, you want to do it, let's see what time. You can actually do it any time in the day. Let's say 2 p.m. Say confirm. And then what you'd need to do is, you'd have to complete all of this information in here. As you can see, it's going to take 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes for you to basically get to speak to them, get qualified, and then from there you'll basically get your money. You have absolutely nothing to lose. You have no excuse not to do it, to be honest with you. So you need to complete all of the details. So your first name, your last name, your email, your contact number, your company name, your estimated number of W2 employees. You'll put in there. Is there anything else you'd like to share with them before the call? And you put in that there. Then once that, you can just schedule the call. From there, you would basically just speak to them, and then they would get you guys sorted. So remember, guys, click on the link, get set up, schedule a call with them. It takes 15 minutes, and start claiming that money. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more videos. I will be sharing more videos on the different platforms and the different business tools and resources that you guys can take advantage on or of. But for now, thank you very much for your time. Have an awesome day, and yeah, see you on the next video. Ciao.